It's very windy today, 15 miles an hour or so. I'm going to try and fly the Spitfire.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that wind. It's flying that wind. That's full throttle.
Wow.
That's going about 50 miles an hour today.
Bring it right to the camera.
That's as close as I dare get to it. I'll do a slow one. It's a very fast wind today, good 15 mile an hour, and perhaps blustering up even higher, and the plane was fighting that wind. You could see that the stabilisation was doing it, and that was in beginner mode for most of that flight, and started in mid mode. Flew really well though, I was pleased with that, didn't crash or anything. First time out, I think I've done that, so that was good, and I'll let Laurie have a go later. Right, ready? And we're off. It's nice. Looks cool. Oh, get in there. That's good, nice close flying. Right towards us.
Yeah.
That's it, that was cool. That's nice. Excellent. So you're doing alright. It's good, isn't it? A good little flyer.
Yeah, it really is.
Whoa, you're very yeah, it's really good flying. Very good. Low. Yeah. Whee! It's alright. I have to fly really close to get good shots.
Yeah, go. Don't worry about hitting me. I'll just.
I'll stand near you.
I'll get behind you.
Right, we're away. Come round the other way. Close again.
That's some great shots.
Good, right, I'll try and do a loop. Ready? Do you reckon that might have not?
I hope so. Yeah, I think so.
Try again.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Went a bit out of focus on the second, but the first I think it got.
Try again.
Yeah, that's good.
Cool. Get me a haircut.
Yeah.
That wasn't that near to the edge, really.
It's hard to keep up with it sometimes.
No, it's going about 40 miles an hour. 40. Hopefully do nice shots of its shape.
The silhouette in the sun is remarkable. Yeah.
Blended. Full throttle. Sorry, Laurie. That was really close. I did nearly hit that.
That's quite cool. That was very close. I want to know what that looked like on the footage.
Right. Yeah, I think that's as close as I dare.
That was cool.
That's what you call a landing.